What's good? It's your boy Crypto Low, aka Low Key. I'm back with another video, and this time I'm doing one that you guys requested, and I promise I'm gonna be getting around to those a little bit more often. But I realized I did a video about how to purchase certain tokens on an exchange, but it was a decentralized exchange, and a few people were asking that I do a tutorial on how to trade. Now, if you click the video, you already know which exchange I'm talking about, and that is DDEX. Now, DDEX, I mentioned this when I did my video for Nexo, I believe, and I also did a video about 0x, and DDEX is actually ran on the 0x protocol. So, I want to get straight to it, right? Now, come to CoinMarketCap, look on the if you just type it in over here, you type in DDEX, you'll find that this is the trade volume and these are the tokens that are listed on there. So there are some that a lot of people don't find, like we talked about Nexo, but Nexo is now on HitBTC, but it originally was only on decentralized exchanges. And a lot of these other tokens are very similar. You know, it's either exchanges that are kind of fishy or decentralized exchange. And to me, I'll choose decentralized exchange any day because there's just less vulnerability there if you know what you're doing. They got EOS DAC, you know, I said Zebi. They got DAI or DAI, however you pronounce it, which is a stable token in the Ethereum network. EOS, they got a couple of tokens that they are trading on DDEX, Decentralized Exchange. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is download Metamask. So just literally type in metamask.io and download this into your Chrome browser or your Brave browser. So me, I got the Brave browser, that's what I'm using. And when you're done, what MetaMask is, it says it right here, you know, Ethereum to your browser. It's a wallet that connects to your browser. It's an extension that connects to your browser, and you can put ERC20 tokens in there and Ethereum in there. Now, what you're going to want to do is after you download the MetaMask wallet, make sure you deposit some tokens to your address. I'm probably going to blur anything out if I need to, but I don't think I need to. So show QR code, boom, copy your address, go to wherever you have your Ethereum at and send it to that address. Also, you can connect it to your Coinbase and you can actually buy directly there, or even with Shapeshift. So it's a pretty cool wallet. Now, I think I had a little bit left over. Look, it says $14 worth of Ethereum, so I'm gonna try to make a purchase with that. I didn't really wanna have to like send anything over here. I don't really use MetaMask very often, but for the sake of decentralized exchange, that's when I use it. So go over to DDEX. Yes, decentralized exchange works pretty quick. Yada, yada, yada. We talked about this already. Pardon me if you hear any thunder. Obviously, that's not my fault. It is not the food that I ate. It is actual thunder. Start trading. So what you're going to see automatically is detecting accounts. Now, it automatically found my account, and we're already on the Nexo tokens. How much did I say I had? I said I had like 14 bucks. Which is 0.194 ETH. Okay, 0.0194. So over here you can see your order book. You got your sells, your buys, your trade history here, and then you have your couples here. So you know all the Ethereum pairs. This is an ERC20 token exchange. All right. It's built on 0x. It is for ERC20 tokens, Ethereum-based tokens. This is not for Neo. This is not for Qtum. This is ERC20. So, let's see. Let's see how many Nexo I could get. Let's try to get like 50 of them. I don't know how many I can get for that price. Not even. Let's try 30. How much did I say I had in there? 0.19, that's 0.15. Let's try 35. All right, cool. We'll just buy 35 Nexo tokens. This is just a demonstration, guys. So what I'm gonna have to do is wrap my ETH Now, you're wrapping your ETH because, you wrap your ETH because your Ethereum is not an ERC20 token. So this is kind of what it does to like make it an ERC20 token. I guess this is all the ETH that I could wrap. Oops. Is right here. So you go to wrap ETH. It's gonna ask you to confirm. So it connects to your Metamask, and your Metamask is gonna just ask you to confirm, and then you can set your gas price. You're gonna go to like 6 or something like that. I feel like it should be asking to wrap more ETH, but it's all good. So we're gonna get like 10 Nexo tokens. It don't matter how much I'm getting right now. It just matters to show you guys how this works, right? May take a few minutes. Now, if this takes long, I will just fast forward through the video. But honestly, it works pretty daggone quick. All right, so I did it with the higher gas price, just because it was taking so long. So, you know, you could try it with different gas. I just did it for the sake of this video. It's really not much money anyway that I'm dealing with here, about $7. So let's see what we can get for these $7. Now, you can always look at the prices over here that people are selling for and people are buying for. And 000420, let's see. 428. All right, let's get this best price right here. And let's just get 100% of whatever I have in stock. This can't be whatever I have. Let's see. 003. 009. We're just gonna try 10. There you go. 10 by Nexo. It's asking to confirm my wallet. Sign. Successfully created order. Then you can see it down here, and you're pretty much just gonna wait, and when it's ready, it's ready. All right, so I didn't even fast forward through that, or I won't, because I just wanted to show you how quickly that works. So that's okay, it could show notifications. Now it wants to get in my way of my Metamask. Now if you look at Metamask, I think I had like 500 in there. Now I have 510. So you can see my balance went up. That's how you buy from DDEX, Decentralized Exchange, guys. I'm not gonna sit around and talk your head off. Pretty simple situation. Then you can unwrap your ETH, unwrap it, and that's pretty much what's gonna add the rest of your Ethereum back into your wallet. So they call it WETH. When you wrap it, it's wrapped ETH, and then you unwrap it back to your ETH. And it usually just takes a few moments. This is kind of like your withdrawal. And from there, guys, you're pretty much done. So I don't really think, well, let me, excuse me. 10, boom. Unwrapping ETH. Take a few minutes. And there you have it, guys. That is how you buy on DDEX, Decentralized Exchange. I hope that explained enough for you. It's really not that complicated. Download MetaMask. Make sure you deposit some Ethereum. When you come down to the website, you log in. You wrap your Ethereum, whatever amount you need to wrap based on how much you're buying. You can, you can set it up, 50%, 75%, 100%. I always like that on exchanges. Boom, you buy, it takes a few minutes, and you're done. And that's it. So let me know if you guys have any more questions. It's your boy Crypto Low, aka Low Key. I'm out of here. Peace.